Dear students, in our previous lecture of group theory, we discussed the topic that is set of residue classes modulo n. Now in our today's lecture, we study groups of residue classes modulo n. So first we define finite and infinite groups. A group G is said to be finite if number of elements in that group G is finite. Otherwise, it is called an infinite group. Again, we have the definition. If G is finite group, then number of elements in G is called order of G, and it is denoted by this notation, that is order of G. For example, let G is nothing but set containing elements 1 minus 1 I minus I. It is a finite group with 4 elements, so order of G is equal to 4. Z, Q, R, C all are infinite groups with respect to usual addition. Example, let Zn is nothing but equal to set containing elements 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar up to n minus 1 bar, the set of all residue classes of integers modulo n. Define a binary operation addition modulo n in Zn as a bar addition modulo n b bar is equal to a plus b bar, that is equal to r bar, where r is a remainder obtained when a plus b is divided by n. Show that Zn with operation addition modulo n is a finite abelian group. So solution. So for binariness, let a bar and b bar be two elements in Zn, and r is the remainder obtained when a plus b is divided by n. So since r is the remainder when we divide a plus b by n, so we have 0 is less than or equal to r is strictly less than n. Hence by definition of Zn, r bar belongs to Zn. Therefore, a bar addition modulo n b bar is nothing but equal to a plus b bar, that is equal to r bar, which is element of Zn. Hence, Zn is closed under operation addition modulo n. That is, here addition modulo n is a binary operation on that set Zn. For associativity, let a bar, b bar, c bar be three elements in Zn. So consider a bar addition modulo n b bar addition modulo n c bar, that is equal to a plus b bar addition modulo n c bar, or this is equal to a plus b plus c bar. But here a, b, c are integers, and we know that z with operation addition is group, so operation is associative. So a plus b plus c is nothing but equal to a plus b plus c. So here a plus b plus c bar is nothing but equal to a plus b plus c bar, and that is equal to a bar addition modulo n b plus c bar, and that is equal to a bar addition modulo n b bar addition modulo n c bar. Hence the operation addition modulo n is an associative operation. Now identity element. Now for any a bar belongs to Zn, we have a bar addition modulo n 0 bar is nothing but equal to a plus 0 bar, that is equal to a bar, and 0 bar addition modulo n a bar is nothing but equal to 0 plus a bar, that is equal to a bar. So therefore 0 bar is an identity element of Zn. For inverse, let a bar belongs to Zn, then there exists n minus a bar belongs to Zn such that a bar addition modulo n minus a bar is nothing but equal to a plus n minus a bar, that is equal to n bar, and we know that n bar is nothing but equal to 0 bar, because if we divide n by n, the remainder is 0. So n bar is equal to 0 bar. Also n minus a bar addition modulo n a bar is nothing but equal to n minus a plus a bar, that is equal to n bar, and which is nothing but equal to 0 bar. So therefore n minus a bar is an I inverse of a bar in Zn. Hence every element of Zn has inverse in Zn. Now commutative law, let A bar and B bar belongs to Zn. Consider A bar addition modulo n B bar that is equal to A plus B bar that is equal to B plus A bar, which is nothing but equal to B bar addition modulo n A bar. So this operation addition modulo n is commutative. Also, Zn contains exactly n elements and n is finite. So Zn is also finite. Hence, from this 1 to 6, we can say Zn with operation addition modulo n is a finite abelian group. Next example, show that Z6 with operation addition modulo 6 is an abelian group. So we have Z6 is nothing but set containing elements 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar and 5 bar. So we prepare a composition table of elements of Z6 with operations addition modulo 6. So this is the composition table. So here operation is addition modulo 6 and these are the elements of Z6. Now we have 0 bar plus 0 bar, that is operation is here addition modulo 6. So 0 bar plus 0 bar is nothing but 0 bar. 0 bar plus 1 bar is 1 bar. 0 bar plus 2 bar is 2 bar. 0 bar plus 3 bar is 3 bar. 0 bar plus 4 bar is 4 bar. 0 bar plus 5 bar is 5 bar. 1 bar plus 0 bar is 1 bar. 1 bar plus 1 bar is 2 bar. 1 bar plus 2 bar is 3 bar. 1 bar plus 3 bar is 4 bar. 1 bar plus 4 bar is 5 bar. 1 bar plus 5 bar is 0 bar, because 1 bar plus 5 bar is nothing but 6 bar. But here operation is addition modulo 6. So when we divide 6 by 6, the remainder is 0. So 1 bar plus 5 bar is 0 bar. Also 2 bar plus 0 bar is 2 bar. 2 bar plus 1 bar is 3 bar. 2 bar plus 2 bar is 4 bar. 2 bar plus 3 bar is 5 bar. And again 2 bar plus 4 bar is 6 bar, but it is nothing but equal to 0 bar. 2 bar plus 5 bar is nothing but 7 bar, but here operation is addition modulo 6. So if we divide 7 by 6, then the remainder is 1. So 2 bar plus 5 bar is 1 bar. Similarly, we have 3 bar plus 0 bar is 3 bar. 3 bar plus 1 bar is 4 bar. 3 bar plus 2 bar is 5 bar. 3 bar plus 3 bar is 0 bar. 3 bar plus 4 bar is 1 bar. 3 bar plus 5 bar is 2 bar. 4 bar plus 0 bar is 4 bar. 4 bar plus 1 bar is 5 bar. 4 bar plus 2 bar is 0 bar. 4 bar plus 3 bar is 1 bar. 4 bar plus 4 bar is 2 bar. 4 bar plus 5 bar is 3 bar. 5 bar plus 0 bar is 5 bar. 5 bar plus 1 bar is 0 bar. 5 bar plus 2 bar is 1 bar. 5 bar plus 3 bar is 2 bar. 5 bar plus 4 bar is 3 bar, and 5 bar plus 5 bar is nothing but equal to 4 bar. So clearly by composition table we can say this operation addition modulo 6 is binary operation and it is also associative. Also we see that 0 bar is an identity element in Z6 because 0 bar plus A bar is equal to A bar for all A bar belongs to Z6. So here operation is nothing but addition modulo 6. Also we see that 0 bar plus 0 bar is 0 bar, 1 bar plus 5 bar is 0 bar, then 2 bar plus 4 bar is 0 bar, and 3 bar plus 3 bar is 0 bar. So from that we can say 0 bar inverse is 0 bar, 1 bar inverse is 5 bar, 2 bar inverse is 4 bar, 3 bar inverse is 3 bar, also 4 bar inverse is 2 bar, and 5 bar inverse is 1 bar. So every element in Z6 has inverse. Also we have operation is addition modulo 6. So for that A bar addition modulo 6 B bar is nothing but equal to A plus B bar, that is nothing but equal to B plus A bar, that is equal to B bar addition modulo 6 A bar for all A bar and B bar belongs to Z6. So therefore this operation addition modulo 6 is commutative. Hence Z6 with operation addition modulo 6 is an abelian group. Now we have definition of that relatively prime integers. Two integers a and b, not both of which are 0, are said to be relatively primes if their GCD is equal to 1. That is, whenever GCD of A and B is equal to 1, then we say that two integers are relatively primes. Definition: the function phi from n to n defined by phi of n is nothing but equal to the number of positive integers less than or equal to n and relatively prime to n. It is called Euler's Quotient function. So for example, we have phi of 8 is equal to 4 because we have the numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, which are positive integers less than or equal to 8 and relatively prime to 8. That is, their GCD with 8 is equal to 1. Also, phi of 9 is equal to 6 because we have the numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, which are positive integers less than or equal to 9 and their GCD with 9 is equal to 1. That is, they are relatively prime to 9. So phi of 9 is nothing but equal to 6. Also, phi of 1 is equal to 1 and phi of 7 is equal to 6 because 7 is your prime number. All positive numbers less than 7 have GCD 1 with 7. So in all there are 6 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from that we can say phi of 7 is equal to 6. So note, if p is prime number, then phi of p is nothing but equal to p minus 1. Example, let Zn dash denotes the set of all prime residue classes modulo n. That is, Zn dash is nothing but equal to set of all A bar belongs to Zn such that GCD of A and n is equal to 1. Show that Zn dash is an abelian group of order phi n with respect to operation multiplication modulo n. So here we have to show Zn dash forms a group which is abelian, which has order phi n. Here operation is multiplication modulo n. So solution: let A bar and B bar be elements of Zn dash and R is the remainder obtained when A into B is divided by n. So note that here operation is nothing but multiplication modulo n. That is, here R is the remainder obtained when A into B is divided by n. Now A bar and B bar belongs to Zn dash. So by definition of Zn dash, GCD of A and n is equal to 1 and GCD of B and n is also equal to 1. So therefore GCD of A, B and n is also equal to 1. So as GCD of A, B and n is equal to 1 and R is the remainder obtained when A into B is divided by n. So therefore GCD of R and n is also equal to 1 because here AB is congruent to R modulo n. So as GCD of R and n is equal to 1, so by definition of Zn dash, R bar belongs to Zn dash. Hence, A bar multiplication modulo n B bar is nothing but equal to A into B bar, that is nothing but equal to R bar, belongs to Zn dash. So Zn dash is closed with respect to that operation multiplication modulo n. That is, this operation multiplication modulo n is binary operation on set Zn dash. Now clearly operation multiplication modulo n is associative, that is A bar multiplication modulo n B bar multiplication modulo n C bar is nothing but equal to A bar multiplication modulo n B bar multiplication modulo n C bar for all A bar B bar C bar belongs to Zn dash. Also, as GCD of 1 and n is equal to 1, so by definition 1 bar belongs to Zn dash and 1 bar satisfying the condition 1 bar multiplication modulo n A bar is nothing but equal to A bar, that is equal to A bar multiplication modulo n 1 bar for all A bar belongs to Zn dash. So therefore 1 bar is an identity element in Zn dash with respect to that operation multiplication modulo n. Now for inverse, let A bar belongs to Zn dash. As A bar is element of Zn, we have GCD of A and n is equal to 1. As GCD of A and n is equal to 1, there exist integers p and q such that AP plus NQ is equal to 1. Now AP plus NQ is equal to 1, so this implies AP minus 1 is equal to minus n cube, or therefore AP minus 1 is equal to minus q into n. That is, here AP minus 1 is nothing but multiple of n. So from that we can say AP minus 1 is congruent to 0 modulo n. That is, when we divide AP minus 1 by n, the remainder is 0. So AP minus 1 is congruent to 0 modulo n. So therefore AP is congruent to 1 modulo n. AP is congruent to 1 modulo n. So therefore we have AP bar is equal to 1 bar. So AP bar is equal to 1 bar. But AP bar is nothing but what? A bar multiplication modulo n P bar. So we have A bar multiplication modulo n P bar is nothing but equal to 1 bar. It means that P bar is nothing but multiplicative inverse of A bar. So therefore A bar inverse is nothing but equal to P bar, which is element of Zn dash. Hence every element of that Zn dash has inverse in Zn dash with respect to that operation multiplication modulo n. So from these four properties we can say Zn dash forms a group with respect to that operation multiplication modulo n. Also we have clearly A bar multiplication modulo n B bar is nothing but equal to AB bar, that is equal to BA bar, that is equal to B bar multiplication modulo n A bar, for all A bar and B bar belongs to Zn dash. So this operation multiplication modulo n is commutative. Also we have Zn dash contains exactly phi n elements. By definition of Zn dash, we have Zn dash is nothing but those elements in Zn which are relatively prime with n, so that are nothing but exactly equal to phi n. So Zn dash contains exactly phi n elements. So from 1 to 6 we can say that Zn dash is an abelian group of order phi n with respect to that operation multiplication modulo n. Now we have example, so that Z dash with operation multiplication modulo 8 forms an abelian group. So we have Z dash is nothing but equal to set of all A bar belongs to Z8 such that GCD of A and 8 is equal to 1. Now we know that Z8 contains the elements 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar, 6 bar and 7 bar. So out of which the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 have GCD 1 with 8. So therefore Z dash contains the elements, that is 1 bar, 3 bar, 5 bar and 7 bar. So Z dash is nothing but set containing these 4 elements. Now we prepare the composition table of elements of Z dash with respect to that operation multiplication modulo 8. So this is the composition table for elements of Z dash. So here operation is nothing but multiplication modulo 8. So by definition we have 1 bar into 1 bar is 1 bar, 1 bar into 3 bar is 3 bar, 1 bar into 5 bar is 5 bar, 1 bar into 7 bar is 7 bar, then 3 bar into 1 bar is 3 bar, 3 bar into 3 bar is 9 bar, but our operation is multiplication modulo 8. So when we divide 9 by 8, the remainder is 1. So 3 bar into 3 bar is 1 bar. Also 3 bar into 5 bar is nothing but 15 bar, but if we divide 15 by 8, the remainder is nothing but 7. So 3 bar into 5 bar is 7 bar. Similarly, we have 3 bar into 7 bar is 5 bar, 5 bar into 1 bar is 5 bar, 5 bar into 3 bar is 7 bar, 5 bar into 5 bar is 1 bar, and 5 bar into 7 bar is 3 bar. Also 7 bar into 1 bar is 7 bar, 7 bar into 3 bar is 5 bar, 7 bar into 5 bar is 3 bar, and 7 bar into 7 bar, that is nothing but 49 bar. But if we divide 49 by 8, the remainder is 1. So 7 bar into 7 bar is 1 bar. So clearly again by composition table, the operation multiplication modulo 8 is binary operation and it is associative. Also with respect to multiplication, we have 1 bar is the identity element in Z dash, and we have 1 bar into 1 bar is 1 bar, so 1 bar inverse is 1 bar, 3 bar into 3 bar is 1 bar, so 3 bar inverse is 3 bar, 5 bar into 5 bar is 1 bar, So 5 bar inverse is 5 bar and 7 bar inverse is 7 bar. And A bar into B bar is nothing but equal to B bar into A bar with respect to that operation multiplication modulo 8 for all A bar and B bar belongs to Z dash. So therefore from that we can say Z dash forms an abelian group with respect to that operation multiplication modulo 8. Now next example, verify that the set containing 1, 2, 3 under multiplication modulo 4 is not a group. So we have to show this set 1, 2, 3 is not group with respect to that operation multiplication modulo 4. So solution. Now we have 2 is element of this set and 2 into 2 is equal to 4, but 4 is congruent to 0 modulo 4. That is, when we divide 4 by 4, the remainder is 0. But 0 is not element of this set. 0 is not member of this set. So we can say that the operation is not binary. So as the operation is not binary, we say that the given set is not group. So this set 1, 2, 3 is not group under the operation multiplication modulo 4. So thank you. See you in the next lecture. Goodbye.